Building a portfolio website with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript involves designing a visually appealing layout, showcasing your work, and adding interactive elements. Here's a simplified guide. Plan your design. Define the structure and layout of your website. Consider elements such as navigation bar, header, portfolio section, about me section, and contact form. Create HTML structure. Write the HTML code to create the structure of your website. Use semantic HTML text to define different sections and content. Style with CSS. Use CSS to style your HTML elements. Apply fonts, colors, spacing, and layout styles to create an attractive design. Consider using CSS frameworks like Bootstrap or Tailwind CSS for faster styling. Add interactivity with JavaScript. Enhance your portfolio website with JavaScript to add interactivity and dynamic behavior. You can use JavaScript for animations, form validation, image sliders, and more. Include portfolio items. Showcase your work by adding portfolio items such as projects, artwork, or designs. Use images, descriptions, and links to provide details about each item. Make it responsive. Ensure your website is responsive and works well on various devices and screen sizes. Use media queries and flexible layouts to adapt to different viewport sizes. Test and deploy. Test your website across different browsers and devices to ensure compatibility. Once satisfied, deploy your website to a web hosting service to make it accessible on the internet.